Helium 10 just dropped an AI SEO tool that changes everything. Here's how to use it first. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your top competitor. The top competitor should be making more money than you, like the magical Flames Fire Color Changing Packet. Pretty cool. They're making $200,000 a month. And what we want to do is figure out what they're ranking for. You're going to copy their ASIN. Then you're going to go to Helium 10. The link's right in the description if you want to sign up with a discount or sign up for free. Now, they do have a free trial. Once you sign up, you can go to Products, Cerebro, and then once you go to Cerebro, what you're going to do is just put in that ASIN that you copied of your top competitor. I recommend only putting in one. Click Get Keywords. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down, and they have a new AI filter tool. The easiest keywords to rank for are going to be Spanish keywords. And this top competitor, what we can do is use the AI filter and type in show only Spanish keywords. And that's exactly what it did, is it automatically showed the Spanish keywords that they're ranking for. And guess what? Ones that they potentially have Amazon's choice for. This product you are analyzing shows up as Amazon's choice for this keyword. Humo de colores. Very nice, right? And the search volume isn't crazy high, but these keywords are easy to rank for. If you run ads towards these keywords or put them on the back end of your listing, you know that your top competitor is ranking for these keywords. So if you start ranking from these keywords, you're going to get clicks. It's going to help you generate sales. And this AI tool makes it so easy to filter through things. Here's another one. Let's go. So I typed in easy to rank that have Amazon's choice. I kind of just used broken English, but I used the AI filter and I just typed in easy to rank that have Amazon's choice. It went through all 3,000 keywords that our competitor is ranking for and showed me the ones that have Amazon's choice, right? So we know if we want an Amazon's choice badge on our listing that's easy to rank for, we could potentially utilize these, right? Magic Fire. That's a pretty good one. I feel like that's pretty good. That one's getting 400 searches a month. Bonfire Color, Magical Flames, Magical Fire Packets, Funky Colored Flames, Amazon's choice, Fireworks Sparklers. And again, these are all keywords that the competitor is ranking for and is showing up for. You can see if I type that in, Fireworks Sparklers, there they are. There's the competitor overall pick right here. So ranking for these keywords and being able to filter with this AI filter tool is a game changer. It's going to save you so much time. And I know it's not extremely powerful right now, but definitely test it out. This is in beta. And once this is done, you're just going to type in whatever you want and it's going to show up exactly like what's the top search volume keywords that are extremely easy to rank for this competitor. And then you can just pick and plug so you don't have to manually review it all. And that's going to make your SEO better and help you generate more sales. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like SEO, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also do full account management where we optimize your SEO every 60 to 90 days, depending on your listing's rank. And that way your listing SEO is always increasing. You're showing up more on Amazon. You're generating more sales. We'll do customer service, advertising, design, you name it. We've got your back. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.